Proposition 22 was a ballot initiative in California on the November 2020 state election which passed with 59% of the vote and granted app-based transportation and delivery companies an exception to Assembly Bill 5 by classifying their drivers as independent contractors rather than employees, thereby exempting employers from providing the full suite of mandated employee benefits while instead giving drivers new protections of. In 2019, Assembly Bill 5 was passed, and it was designed by lawmakers to require companies to classify ride-hail drivers and other gig economy workers as employees. It requires companies to classify all workers as employees unless companies can prove that the workers are not directed or controlled by the company during their work time and their work is not the company's core business and the worker has their own business doing that type of work. One Lyft and Uber refused to comply with this law and stated a desire to keep drivers classified as independent contractors. In August 2020, the California court ordered Uber and Lyft to comply with the law within a 10-day deadline. The companies said they would shut down their operation in California if drivers had to become employees. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.